Good morning, students. I welcome you in the class of English. It will be the third video this week. Let me take a review of all the points of all the chapters which you are going to face in the coming unit test next week. I am sure you are well prepared, you are confident, and all your papers will go very well. But one thing that I would like to focus, that the question you are going to face is not based only on the exercise that you have prepared. You have to learn, you have to revise very minutely each and every line of the chapter. I have given you just two chapters. The first one, an uncomfortable bed, and the second one is the master artist. As I already told you about the first chapter, an uncomfortable bed, so interesting a story. In this you have seen how the narrator of the story visits his friend's home, friend's house, who was living in Picardy, and since the beginning when he received warm welcome, unexpected welcome, made him suspicious, made him doubtful since beginning, and how he was so vigilant and watchful. In fact, he became extraordinary watchful. And at last, what the result comes, I had explained you. The story is to be learnt minutely, and you should not depend on the exercise at all. Exercises are based on the chapter, and almost more than 90% of the questions are from inside chapter. So I request you all, I suggest you all to go through minutely each and every line. You have seen here how the story develops, progresses as the narrator visits the place, and he was surrounded by a number of friends, so many guests. When he took the lunch, and how he goes to the bedroom accompanied by whole household, and since beginning when he was welcomed, he was very doubtful, he was very suspicious, because he has not expected that kind of reception, that kind of welcome he received. And so he was thinking why, what was the reason, was he going to be the target of the practical jokes of his friends, who were very fond of practical jokes, and that only made him very suspicious, very doubtful. He went to the bedroom, he watched everything of the room very minutely, because he suspected that that was the place. At the night, he might be trapped in the conspiracy, in the plan his friends might have had made. And so he became extra vigilant. Every part he watched very minutely. The shutter of the window, the curtains, the ceiling. Even the ceiling was really suspicious for him. He thought that there may be the shower of cold water from the ceiling. He was even doubtful about the flow of the house. And the most suspicious part of the room was the bed. the bed which was set for him to sleep. And he decided, after observing every part of the room, he decided that the bed was not suitable for him. He thought the moment he would go on the bed, he might sink, and that's why he drew out the mattress with the bed sheet and set a bed in front of the door and slept there. In the morning, when a person came with a tea, some snacks in a plate, was quite unaware about the fact that the narrator had shifted his bed at the door, and that's why he was stuck with the leg of the narrator, and everything in his hand fell over the face, arms, and the body of the narrator. So you had seen what happened, and due to that, the slap he got from the person when he started groping in the darkness to find out the face of the person, he got the slaps, and this was indeed a funny event which took place. This was just due to the narrator himself. No plan was set, no conspiracy was made, no practical joke had been already just made against him. But he had been since the beginning so suspicious, so doubtful, that he could never relax, and this suspicion helped him, forced him to be extra careful. And the step he took to keep himself safe and to keep himself protected, that only created the problem, and he met the incident what happened at last in the story. So this is what the story, in that a person who had been so doubtful, so suspicious about every event, when his friends laughed at the time of dinner, they enjoyed, that all made him so doubtful that they all had already made some plan against him to make him the target of their joke. And he met the incident at last due to his own decision. On the basis of that only, you have to just read here thoroughly each and every line, so that the question may come from any line, from any extract, from any passage. And so I am hopeful, as I have explained you line wise, you must have understood and you will just revise everything. The next one, that is the master artist, is equally important. I have explained you thoroughly. I have explained you all new words of both the chapters, and I am sure that you must have learned each and every part of these stories are equally important. Go through them. I have discussed in the master artist the two characters, very interesting characters, both of them. One, the artist Sineleve, who had been so ambitious to express his dream, his innovation, his creativity in his art, which was not in prevalent those days. They were making the painting of traditional style. But when he got a chance to make the portrait of Bartoli on the 20 feet tall wall, he got a chance. He got an opportunity in his life, so that whatever he had already desired, he had longed in his life to express in his dream, in the portrait. That was the reason he put the condition In the beginning he denied. He told that he was going to retire and was not possible by him to make any portrait. But when he saw that Bartoli was so fed up, so disappointed, so sad, he agreed. He accepted. But he put the condition that he would make the portrait only if he would be left alone. No one would interfere in his work and nobody would come during the period when he was making the portrait. And the condition was accepted, and this gave him the chance to express his own desire, his own technique of art. The modern art which developed in early 20th century, he expressed that cubist expression in the portrait 500 years earlier. And that was here the reason in the story which was not liked by Bartoli. Bartoli wanted a portrait of that time so that people could like him, appreciate him, to see the portrait. But when he started making, he used all the techniques, and whenever Bartoli came and asked him how the work was going on, he answered and assured him that the work was going on so well. The work was in progress, and he was taking time because he was making a masterpiece. The portrait was of masterpiece. He was using all his arts taught by his teacher Ambrosio Lorenzetti, and he had asked him, he had taught him not to hurry, not to do any haste, and that's why he made in that way. But besides that, there was a reason. He took a time because it was the only chance in his life to express and give his wings here of imagination in the portrait, in the painting, and he did. This is what the story. Bartoli didn't like. He became very angry, became very raucous, and told him, he called him, either he was a madman or a thief, not an artist. Just because he couldn't understand the modern art which was made by the artist. It was not in the prevalent those days. That art came later on after 500 years. And that is the reason the story is here so interesting. The artist who took so long a time of 6 months to complete the portrait and assured, he had been assuring Bartoli that he was making a masterpiece art which would last forever and ever for so long. When was seen and observed by Bartoli, he was stunned, he was shocked to see it. So my dear student, I do suggest you that both the stories are in so simple way expressed. I have explained you, and I am hopeful that you must have gone through several times as I have been giving you every time in homework. Go through the story minutely, seriously. Only one thing can help you to tackle the questions to get success in exam. If you will go through every line and see the turnings of every event, because the questions are set from inside part of the story. Here the new words that is given, I had explained you. You must have learnt in your copy. Please, you learn all these new words given there. And exercises that is already explained. Even some grammar based question, that is grammar and uses. The other question that is words in use. That is what vocabulary based questions. I have explained you very well, and I am sure that you must have understood. So please you revise minutely, seriously, and do well. Do the best in your examination. I wish you all the best for your examination, for all the papers. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.